Iowa may not be the first place that comes to mind for a vacation, but it has its hidden gems. First on our list is the capital city, Des Moines, with its vibrant arts scene and beautiful riverfront. Next up is the Amana Colonies, a charming historic village that will take you back in time. For nature lovers, the Effigy Mounds National Monument is a must-visit, with its ancient Native American burial mounds. If you're a fan of literature, you won't want to miss the John Wayne Birthplace Museum in Winterset. For a taste of small-town charm, head to Galena, where you can wander through its historic downtown. The scenic Dubuque is another great destination, with its Mississippi River views and stunning architecture. Iowa City is a college town that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and charming eateries. For a different kind of adventure, visit the Field of Dreams in Dyersville, where the iconic movie was filmed. Last but not least, the Bridges of Madison County is a romantic destination with picturesque covered bridges. So, if you're looking for a diverse and unexpected vacation destination, look no further than Iowa. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.